Hey, do you have 2 large ripe bananas at home and 2 eggs? Maybe this is something you would like to have with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. We're going to start by getting a smaller bowl, and I'm going to add in my 2 large ripe bananas into it slowly. I'm then going to get my fork out and just smash the bananas until one smooth texture. You want to make sure that the bowl is small enough so that the mashing is easy, because we don't have that many bananas to mash. I'm then going to get another bowl, add in our mashed banana right into it, just like that. And then I'm going to break in my 2 eggs one by one easily. You'll want both the yolk and the white. And then we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, which is so delicious. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to finish it all up with 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Yes, I'm using coconut sugar because it's a bit healthier. You can use just white sugar as well. Just add it in, and then we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Mix it until the sugar melts. Once we have all the wet ingredients mixed with the sugar, we're going to put away the bowl and take another bowl. This bowl is smaller because we're going to just add all the dry ingredients. I'm going to start with 2 cups of almond flour. We're using almond flour because it has fiber, protein, healthy fats. It's a healthy flour that's gluten-free. I'm then going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, just like that. Then half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Spice things up, and then half a teaspoon of nutmeg, just for that same reason. I'm then going to mix all the dry ingredients together. We want to make sure they're all mixed. Then we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ones. I'm actually going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons and then just mix and repeat that process until all the dough is mixed throughout and it's nice and lovely. Once my dough is sort of ready, I'm going to finally add in 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. You can use milky chocolate chips as well. We're going to fold them in nicely, and then I'm going to just get my muffin pan out, add in paper liners just like that. I'm using 8 of them in total, but you can add 12 and make those muffins a little smaller. I'm going to pour the dough into each cupcake liner slowly. Make sure you fill it up to around 2/3 of the liner, because the muffins will rise, of course. And we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees and bake for 23 to 26 minutes. To test whether the muffins have been done, we want to just get our toothpick into the muffin, and if it comes out clean just like that, it means it's fully baked. But if not, you need to leave it in the oven for a couple more minutes. We're gonna want to put our muffins on a wire rack and just let them cool down before we serve them. And of course, you can serve them with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. It's a lovely dessert the kids will love. It's a healthier version of your regular banana muffins. It's delicious and it won't make your energy crash, which we love the most. So for more recipes like this, please go to allnutritious.com, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.